In a devastating escalation of cross-border hostilities, Pakistan launched a barrage of artillery and mortar shells across the LOC in Jammu and Kashmir's Poonch district. The attack left many civilians dead, including children and members of the Sikh community, and caused widespread damage to schools, homes, and a Gurudwara. Shells rained down across Poonch in the early hours of Wednesday. In one of the worst attacks, Pakistani forces targeted civilian areas with heavy artillery. It began around 1:45 am, a sudden brutal barrage of heavy caliber Pakistani shelling. As families in Poonch district slept, chaos erupted. When the shelling stopped hours later, many civilians lay dead. Amid the explosions, the wall of Gurudwara Sri Guru Singh Sabha cracked from the impact. The Sikh community is in deep mourning after a tragic shelling by Pakistani forces struck a Gurudwara and residential areas in Poonch, killing at least 3 innocent Sikh civilians. With visuals reminiscent of war zones, this attack has triggered outrage and fear in the border regions. The shelling followed India's Operation Sindoor, a retaliatory airstrike targeting 9 terror camps in Pakistan and POK after the April 22 Pahalgam terror attack. Indian precision strikes hit Jaish-e-Mohammed and Lashkar-e-Taiba headquarters. 9 terror targets across the border were destroyed in a swift operation. Wing Commander Vyomika Singh confirmed all targets were hit precisely, avoiding civilian harm. The act has sparked outrage across the Sikh community and beyond, with calls for peace and accountability. Condemning the attack, Shiromani Akali Dal Chief Sukhbir Singh Badal paid tribute to the martyred Sikh, calling them symbols of unwavering patriotism. Akal Takht's acting Jathedar called the attack a blow to humanity. He urged both India and Pakistan to act with wisdom, not weapons.
बौखलाहट में कायरतापूर्ण से जो उसने गुरु घर पे अटैक किया वो बहुत निंदनीय है। उसकी जितनी पुरजोर निंदा की जाए वो थोड़ी है।
हिंदुस्तान ने जो स्ट्राइक की है पाकिस्तान के उत्ते तो ਉਹਦਾ ਰਾਈਟ ਬਣਦਾ ਸੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆ ਕੇ ਜੋ ਪਹਿਲਗਾਮ ਚ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਔਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਤੰਕੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਸਕੂਲ ਔਰ ਕਾਲਜ ਖੁੱਲੇ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਟ੍ਰੇਨਿੰਗ ਦੇ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਉੱਥੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਬੰਬਾਰਡਮੈਂਟ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਸਟ੍ਰਾਈਕਸ ਹੋਣੀਆਂ ਸੀਗੀਆਂ क्योंकि कई साल हो गए इसको बर्दाश्त कर दे।
पाकिस्तान ने गुरुद्वारा सिंह सभा पुंछ के ऊपर जो मिसाइलों से हमला किया इसकी मैं कड़े शब्दों में निंदा करता हूं। ये उनकी घटिया मानसिकता को बताता है और कितने कायर हैं ये दर्शाता है और हम एक एक सिख इसका मुंह तोड़ जवाब देंगे। आपने जो हरकत की है मेरी भारत की सरकार तुमसे इसका भी हिसाब लेगी।
मैं यही कहता हूँ कम से कम पाकिस्तान को पूरे तरीके से एक जवाब दे।
The Sikh community in Poonch, around 30,000 strong, is in mourning. Many families have begun fleeing to Jammu, fearing more shelling. Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann condemned the attack as inhuman and called for strength and peace for the grieving families. The situation along the line of control remains tense. Security has been ramped up as civilians seek safety amid the fear of further escalation. Locals are taking shelter in underground bunkers or fleeing entirely. With border tensions on the rise, the cost is once again being paid by innocent civilians. The Indian government has vowed a strong response, while prayers pour in for the victims of the Poonch shelling.